We caught a little
Hey
bit of rain.
YouTube, this is another trip that we're taking. We're going to go up to Boarding Caverns. It's up the 180 going up to the Sequoia Mountains, and that's where we're going right now. It looks pretty cloudy, so it might be cloudy up there. Don't know until we get there. So this is on our way. Here we are at 3,000 elevation, going up to the Sequoias. It's the valley down there. Fresno's way over there.
So it's not gonna be snow if they suck up.
It's starting to get super dark up here. We're up here on the clouds. See the whole valley down there, and the clouds are right there. So they're right there. We're gonna be able to touch them in a little bit. We're here at Sequoia Lake at the YMCA campgrounds. This lake is nice. It's closed right now. It looks so beautiful out here. So peaceful. Wow. Looks awesome. My partner in crime. My sister. Looks nice. They have a rock climbing thing here. It's awesome. This lake comes in over here. All the way down there. Over here too. It's a nice lake. Look at that. Can't even see nothing. But there's the valley down there. Can't even see anything. They also have this banner here. Something about oak trees, acorns. Acorns is what's for dinner. Oh, that's pretty cool. The tree, the seed, the process of it. Mia found this gecko here.
Get away from me.
Yeah. He keeps drawing though. There he goes. Gonna be free in his home.
Go.
There you go. Come on, Ollie.
Boom! See? You throw that?
Fucking dry fire again.
See? You throw it?
Damn. I keep
Yeah?
Not loading
going
anything.
to the both sides and going through the middle and shit. Oh, damn, I'm sorry.
That's what she said.
I didn't do that. It's gonna feel from here. Let's see that
Look at
again.
face off.
Tia, you shouldn't go down,
No, not yet, Mama.
I'm surprised that green thing hasn't fallen yet.
Dry.
That was a
dry.
dry wood. Boom.
Babe,
Yeah.
Headshots all day. Yeah.
babe.
Hit. Sweet. You got it on videotape.
Oh.
Sweet girl. Here. It's loaded, ready to go.
Can it actually reach all the way away?
Oh, yeah.
And that thing is accurate.
I told you. Here. Empty it. Is it for the safety?
Yeah.
Should fire. Slide all the way in. Yeah. Oh, you hear it hitting. You're empty.
Yeah.
Good job. Oop.
Bro, hollow point.
A ver, pon esa. Pon esa ahí en la foto.
With the jerky.
Más abajo. Ahí está bien, ahí está bien. This is what we're working with out here right now. I don't know if you can see it better like this. And that sidearm right there. So yeah, so we're just out here shooting everything. We got target set up way up here in the hill. You can see how far I have to zoom in all the way. We have this target in here.
Next to you, okay?
Shoot that red thing. We have a target there. We have a target over there. We have a target there, a can. And Cynthia's like another target right there. But no, we do have one behind her, that green one there. And we have this other big one right here. So yeah, that's, and we're on the side of the hill right now. This is the, well, the valley's down there. It's just you can't see it because of the clouds and fog that's coming in already. The time is almost 7:30. So we still have enough time for now. Let's watch this sharpshooter.
Come on, let's go.
Y tírale al verde. Let's watch the sharpshooter right here. Ooh, got it. Good job.
The blue one down. No? You want to fall off?
That does it. Ooh, got it. That's what's up. That's the one with the scope, right? So there you saw all scope shots. Scope, huh? Like the mouthwash. Oh, he's probably hiding in his house.
Gotta go right through this one.
Oh look, he's right there still.
That's Skittle.
Look at,
Let me see.
he's right there still.
Let me see. Oh, look on the trees.
Look at him in the camera.
Wow.
I know,
Oh, no,
right?
Kiko. Oh, no,
It's
Kiko.
awesome. Let's zoom in a little bit. Whoa. He has yellow eyeshadow, but he's pink.
Yeah, that's pink.
Like orange pink, I
orange.
guess.
It's orange.
Vamos con tacos. Let's go get some tacos.
You know how far we are from Fresno?
An hour.
Yeah. Just about, Cynthia.
Try not to go and touch
No, it's okay, baby. We can leave it alone now. Yeah.